Good morning. So we're headed out right now to Morgan. We got a construction truck that has got stuck in the mud. Sorry, there's a pipeline in the middle of the road. That we've got to navigate around. So it's just me and Dad today. Should be a fairly easy one. We're hoping it's just going to be a little yank out of the mud and turn it around and get it back down on the pavement for him. So we just turned off of pavement and now we're following a pipeline road.
Wow, I love your wind chimes.
The wind is my wife and the chimes are our children.
That's where the pipeline goes.
0.2 miles away.
It's pretty up here. Got a gate.
Active construction site. Okay, well, we knew that. There it is.
Oh my.
He's got a bumper buried down into the mud.
Yeah, it's gonna have to go forward. Howdy. Come get a truck unstuck.
Howdy, howdy.
How's it going, man?
Good. Hey,
Good. Rusty. This is Cannon.
nice to meet you. Okay. Let me take a quick gander. Get a game plan going.
It's quite the road to take that truck up.
Yeah. Well, supposedly Google Maps is pulling those way, so.
A lot of our recoveries are that way.
Yeah. I mean, if I need to take my truck up here, come down here and drop that, wherever you think.
I mean, I could drive around it.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go through some brush.
Yeah. I'm tempted to just pull the rear end over. I'm just worried about the uprights for that Tommy lift.
And if we spun the tires and pulled sideways, it might come over.
Yeah, I'm just worried. It's got this upright for the Tommy lift over here.
Have to do some digging. Of course, that left tire, when it starts moving over, it's gonna go up.
Yeah, but it's not going to want to go up sideways.
I can get you that road up top.
That might be. Problem is, I'm going to want to come right back down here. Anybody get mad if I just drove right through there?
I didn't see a thing.
All of YouTube will.
Yeah. Yeah, well.
They're just junipers and most of them are dead. If I could drive right through there, then I could pull it up out of the hole and drive right down through. Pull through right back over back there. Just back it in like that and then just drive it out.
Yeah, I didn't know if maybe back down, have to pull forward again and go like that just because the Tommy gate coming.
Yeah, I think if we pull it up and the wheels come in through here, it's not going to rub.
Yep.
And then if we go down and the rear wheels are there and there, I don't think they'll rub.
Okay.
Let's do that. That sounds like a plan.
Okay. I'll move my
I'd worry about your sidewalls if you're gonna drive through there.
Yeah. Good thing I brought the food truck.
That was easy.
Okay, okay, I'll tie a better knot. Okay, so you can see what I did here to the rope. I've got a loop here in the end, and then from the loop, I went inside and I went straight down the middle, and I used kind of a big crochet needle. So I went straight in right there, all the way up to here, and then here, it's a little bit hard to tell because I've pulled it out, but I actually came out right here and then back in, and then it's out right here and back in, out right here and back in. And I've got, let's pull a little bit more of this out so you can see it. So I've got it coming in and out like that from there all the way down to here, and then this is where it stops. So I've got a good 2 feet of where it's woven in, and then right through this section, it actually is kind of like a finger lock. It locks it in because it comes out here, out here, out here, and out there 4 times. So that's a good solid weave that'll never pull out. And that, boys and girls, is why you just do it right the first time. I did it 3 times because I wanted to do it fast. Should have just tied it right the first time.
Look at the view. The construction site up on top of the hill, there's some new houses. You barely see the roof.
Not happy with these Gen 3 Smitty builds. Nothing like the Gen 2 ones. You can unspool them with easy one hand. Okay. Okay, come on back. Just let it roll. Okay, give it a little throttle. Okay. Slower. See if you can go forward. There you go. Okay, now back. Okay, let it pull you. Go forward a little. Okay, put it in neutral. Crank your wheels, passenger. Okay, hang on. There you go. Okay, hold up. Let me unhook. Shout out to Alan from Yankum Ropes. He's the only one that makes these big super loops that I can go around a frame with. They're amazing. Nobody makes good quality and innovative products like Yankum Ropes does. Okay, come on back. Okay. Go a little bit passenger as you go forward. You want your tires about 1.5 feet to your right as you drop down. Now turn. Yep, just like that. Is that all the way it'll turn? There you go. Okay, nice and slow. Almost, but no cigar. Didn't touch it all. Okay, you guys want to drive down the rest of the way?
Yeah, I don't want to drive.
Okay, we'll just follow you out then.
Yeah. So much like the tow truck.
It's probably a 18 or 19.
Well, I think it's 23.
Oh,
It's almost like a 17. I guess that pipe wasn't out in the middle of the road when he came up.
what's that?
That pipe was in the middle of the road when he came up.
Oh,
They'll probably have to move it. You want the hubs locked in?
what's that?
Hubs?
We'll leave him locked in just in case he needs us again. We'll show a 70-year-old man getting into a big truck with 40-inch tires.
Well,
He does it easier than I do.
These things run you tires.
They're about 600 a piece.
It's crazy what tires are going for now.
I know, right? Well, there's a card and a
Cool.
air freshener. I don't have a sticker, so
It's all good, man.
yeah, we punctured a hole in the sidewall on that one.
Here's the patch.
It's right here.
Oh.
The normal plugs in the tread, they're fine. The sidewall normally, when you press and retract, it just rips more.
Yeah, that makes sense.
But these plugs are blackjack plugs. They're the only plugs that actually vulcanize to the rubber and become part of the rubber of the tire.
Okay.
So they do really well. I mean, I've had one on the sidewall for a couple months now. I
Yeah.
probably should fix it, but
That's what I ran with for a long time.
I'll get around to it. There's not a trail in Utah that we can't get this up.
Yeah.
So,
I love it. Cool.
okay, well, we'll let you go back
All
to
right,
work.
man.
Thanks, man.
Yep.
I'll
Thanks,
send you an
guys.
email.
Okay, sounds good.
Are you watching me get in? Because I watched you get in?
I was just handing you the
Oh,
camera.
I thought you were making fun of me. And there my 70-year-old dad gets in easier than I do. Okay, well, we're about wrapped up. We're gonna take off and go home. So,
I'll fix the lift.
thanks for watching.
We got them pulled out, and on our way out, coming down the